अदा पे मंजिल मुस्कुराए, ऐसे में जो बिरहा आए तुझे ना सताए। मौसमों के भी वादे हैं कई, आके रंगों में मिल जाते हैं ये कभी।
He's very chilled out, and he gives space. He gives a lot of space. He doesn't demand anything that I want particularly this, I want particularly this. And working with him is like, we feel free, we feel actually free. When we present something to him and he has this beautiful smile on his face, that feeling is, you can't describe it in words.
Bunch of very talented musicians and their teachers. When you're working with them, you're very conscious of their talent and the time that they're putting in towards something that you've done. So, alhamdulillah, it's been a very peaceful experience.